Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to go live on hi5. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open hi5 application. Here, click on the live option in the bottom section of your screen. And here you can see go live option. Tap on it. You'll have to allow hi5 to take pictures and record video. So in order to allow, you can either tap on while using the app option or only this time option. Similarly, you'll also have to allow hi5 to record audio. Here, you'll have to check the given box in order to agree to the terms of service and policy of hi5. Then tap on Got It option. Now before going live, you'll have to place your head in such a way that your face can be clearly visible. You can also add description or tag your team in the text box. Then you'll have to tap on the start option in the bottom section of your screen. So that is how you can go live on hi5 application. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.